The way you handle uninsured services is about to change. With Docnote for PS Suite, every uninsured encounter can carry itself through to completion, while you move on to your next patient. Here's how it works. Your patient comes in for a visit, you turn on your AI scribe. When the visit wraps up, your SOAP note's ready. The patient needs a few days off work, so they'll need a sick note. So you ask your AI scribe to create it. And there it is, a perfect sick note. Now, you need to get this to your patient and you need to get paid. So you go right into your EMR. Docnote's custom form solution allows PS Suite to interact directly with Docnote. Open the Docnote custom form. Select the form type and the staff member creating the request. The custom form auto-populates the patient details and the fee you've assigned for this service. Paste your sick note into the letterhead and click Send to Docnote. That's it. From here, Docnote takes over. The chart's updated, and you're ready for your next visit. Docnote immediately notifies the patient that their note's ready and that it has to be paid for before they can access it. If they haven't signed up yet, they'll get an invitation to join Docnote for free. Once they're in, they complete the payment online, whether they're in the office or at home. As soon as the payment's confirmed, the note appears in their portal. From there, it's ready to download, print, or forward anywhere they need. If your office offers an annual plan, enrolled patients get access instantly. For patients not on the plan, Docnote gives them the option to enroll right at checkout, or anytime during the year. The annual plan's completely optional. If it works for your practice, turn it on. If not, stick with pay per request. Docnote supports both, so your program runs exactly the way you want it to. Docnote for PS Suite. Scribed, paid, delivered.